Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So I don't know if you can tell by this long box. I ordered aerodynamics Sideskirts, and I will be installing them today because unfortunately something happened. Don't mind how dirty it is. RIP to the OEM Sideskirts. So I had to get new ones, you know. I can't just have that like that, drive it like that every day. So I got that, got all the tools ready. Don't film that. It's a mess. But alright, yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna jack it up with the stands and let's get it going. It's so low right there. You see why
hard work, man. This shit not easy.
it's the last video. We live in Florida.
This shit hard as the motherfucker.
I've been out here for 5 minutes. I already burned like 100 calories.
I don't think it's that easy to burn 100 calories. Alright, careful now. It fits?
Jack up a little bit more if you don't mind.
You just push it down?
Yeah, push it down.
Oh, that shit hard. That was very difficult. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty difficult. That was really hard. This is weird.
It's easier than I thought.
Nah, bro, like pushing it down was really hard.
Hey, this is just take off some screws and put on some screws, baby girl. Yeah.
Basically.
I think that should be high enough right there.
Alright.
Let's go ahead on the dropper.
Drop her easy now. There we go.
She on there. The other side.
Alright, we're on to the next side.
Can't even see, man. Can't even see.
I'm about to get on the ground. Get a good angle. Look, guys. We gotta lift that up right there.
Yes, I gotta use 2 hands.
It's a good workout. Let me just move the way.
Should be high enough.
Let's see. Alright. Is it good? It's good? Alright, bet. Listen up, if you don't believe us that it's fucking hot out here, look. I'm about to do some drift, watch. Whew.
Oh, that's
see the drifts?
Nah, man.
Before
it's too hot out here.
More over there, but like,
Look at me.
82 degrees out
It's
here.
too hot out here. Oof.
Alright, this one's box.
Scratched.
Damn, that thing is long.
Put them in the grass so we don't get scratched.
That's at least what, like 5 feet? Nah, 4?
Nah, that's
5 feet, 5 feet and a half.
probably like 6 feet. Not 5 feet. Nah, that's about 5 feet, you're right. It don't matter. Just open them up.
Oh, there's 2. I thought it was one in the box. It looks pretty clean, not gonna lie. How much do they cost?
They're like 20.
220.
AeroFlow dynamics.
Yeah.
Pretty smooth look.
Oh wow, it's slick. Let me get a. Ooh, that's slick right there. Is it metal? And it's metal.
Alright, so just a few screws I gotta take off first.
I'm gonna see if I can get a different angle. There you go. You guys can see, right? Here.
Swim high.
Oh, there's a couple of screws. Wow. If you guys can see them, they go all the way down the skirt. We're gonna show you guys the exhaust again. Look at that beauty. Tomei. We gotta get the other half. That's a different video.
What?
The other half of the exhaust.
The catback?
Yeah. The one that goes to the front.
Last one.
It's the last one.
We gotta pop the little pins out.
You got pins too? What were you saying?
Like little pins, I guess you could call them. You wanna make sure like kind of take them off softly so you don't break them.
Oh, I see 'em. For the dirt, you got a few more.
Super light for the dirt. Alright, so I got the OEM one off. That's like some double-sided sticky tape thing. I'm not sure if we're supposed to keep it on there or not, but I mean it kind of came off when I took off the OEM one, so I'm just gonna take it off from the fender, the side stripe I meant, to make sure it has a clean surface, and I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna start putting on the new one.
What's up, dude?
Put on the last screws. Man, that makes us too hot out here, man.
Right?
Should be illegal to be this hot.
How long we been out here?
Like, it took longer than it was supposed to, you know, like I had to find the right tools. And I finally did.
I think you're gonna have to go from this way. From this angle right over here. There you go.
Ow, that sure hurt my hand.
There you go. Let me show you guys the last one. Go. Go, Diego. Take it.
No, you can't do it, bro.
Alright.
You can't.
It's locked. It won't go. It's locked. 3, 2, 1. Up there. Alright. Oh, shit, my fault. There you go. Okay.
No, straight. Right there.
There we go.
That's freaking.
Mission accomplished. Alright, get out of this, Diego. I'm gonna tighten them up.
All of them are tight.
If anybody's wondering what my car look like, it's that white baby over there. I know she old, but she beautiful. Diego, to be honest, this breeze is amazing. These are the old pieces that Diego had.
Where's the old one? The one that made me replace it.
Yep.
Thing broke.
Look at that shit, man.
Nothing a little bit of super glue can't fix.
Ah, okay.
Alright, so let's finish the install. I think it looks pretty dope. I like how it came out. Nice and aggressive. I probably had to get a rear diffuser to complement it and make it look nice. Other than that, you know, thank you guys for coming back and watching the videos. It was a long struggle. Hot out here. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.